At least 31 elderly residents have died in a single nursing home on the outskirts of Beijing, the capital of China, due to severe flooding, according to local authorities. Most of the victims were immobile. British news outlet BBC reported the incident on July 31. The report stated that rescue teams reached the nursing home located in the Miyun district after the water level had risen to chest height. Video footage shows emergency service workers wading through the water attempting to rescue those trapped inside. Local authorities have admitted there were shortcomings in emergency planning, calling the incident a painful lesson and a warning. In addition, the recent floods in Beijing have claimed a total of 44 lives so far. Various regions of China are currently experiencing extreme weather conditions this summer. Following a record-breaking heat wave in the eastern region earlier last month, flooding has also struck the southwest. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.